Opinion Best Live Wallpapers Apps for Windows. 1. Lively Wallpaper, https://rockstanister.github.io/lively. Lively Wallpaper is a free and open source application that lets you set animated wallpapers on your Windows 11 desktop. You can choose from a library of live wallpapers, or use your own videos, YouTube videos, or GIFs as wallpapers. Lively Wallpaper also has performance features, such as pausing the wallpaper when running full-screen games or applications. To use Lively Wallpaper, you need to download it from the Microsoft Store or from their website. After installing it, you can launch it from the Start menu or the System tray. You will see a list of live wallpapers that you can preview and apply. You can also add your own wallpapers by clicking on the plus icon and selecting a file or a URL. You can customize the wallpaper settings, such as volume, playback speed, and quality, by right-clicking on the wallpaper name. You can also access the app settings by clicking on the gear icon, where you can change the language, theme, startup options, and more. Lively Wallpaper is a fun and easy way to spice up your desktop with dynamic backgrounds. 2. Wallpaper Engine, https://store.steampowered.com/app/4319660/wallpaper_engine. 3. Deskscapes, https://www.stardock.com/product/deskscape/download. 4. Rain Wallpaper, https://store.steampowered.com/app/9795660/rain-wallpaper. 5. Desktop Live Wallpapers, https://www.microsoft.com/n-p/desktop/9nz370xbfqmg number sign active tab =pivot overview tab. 6. WinDynamic Desktop, https://www.microsoft.com/n-a/p/WinDynamic Desktop/9nm8n7dq3z5f ? Active tab =pivot overview tab. 7. Waifu, Live Gaming Wallpapers, https://wallpaperwaifu.com/category/games. 8. MyLive Wallpapers, Live Anime Wallpapers, https://mylivewallpapers.com/category/anime. 9. MoWalls, https://wallpapers-for-your-desktop-using-free-software/number sign. 10. Rainmeter, https://www.rainmeter.net.